Hello everyone and welcome to this new video about TickTick. I made a video several months ago about integrating TickTick with Make.com. At the time, there were issues, especially with setting task dates and recurrences. Good news, I opened a ticket with the Make team and they've finally fixed the problem. So the purpose of this video is to check if those issues are resolved and how you can benefit from it. For this video, I'm using the free versions of Make.com and TickTick. For most features, that will be enough, except for the duration feature in TickTick, which we'll look at later. I recommend watching the first video to understand how to configure the TickTick module in Make and explore the available features, such as creating a task, editing a task, creating a list, and more. Go into Make.com and create our first task. Go to the TickTick module section and create a task. I already have a connection set up. You'll need to create yours. Once again, refer to my first video to set everything up. We'll create a task called test12345 and won't assign it to a list. We'll set the start date to tomorrow at the same time, so we add 1 day from now. Click Run once and see what happens. We can already see that both the start date and due date are filled in. In TickTick, if I refresh, I see the task test12345 with a due date set to tomorrow at 15:25, so exactly in 24 hours. Now we'll try setting a duration. For example, set a start date and try to finish in 2 days. The problem with the free version is that it won't work. As mentioned, only paying users can set both start date and due date separately. For free users, both dates will always be the same. Let's try anyway. I rename the task to 54321. Click Save to apply the changes, and then click Run once. We see that both start date and due date are set to the same value. If I refresh TickTick, it shows the date set to Friday at 15:26. So again, the doc says that for free users, if both dates are set, start date takes precedence, but that's false. It's actually the due date that takes precedence. I'll report this to the TickTick team because it can be confusing. With the paid version, you could set a duration. There's even a duration field, but that requires a paid plan. I include a screenshot of what it looks like with the paid version. Now, let's look at Recurrence. Recurrence didn't use to work because of a rule issue. We'll create a new task called testRecur01. In Advanced Settings, we go to the Repeat Flag section. For that, we generate a rule on iCalendar.org. Choose Daily, copy to Clipboard. Go back to Make.com and set the repeat flag to daily. Click Run once. Everything looks fine. In TickTick, we can see the recurrence icon, 2 circular arrows, confirming it's a recurring task. When we open the task, we can clearly see that the recurrence is applied correctly because all the days are selected. In conclusion, the issues with dates and recurrences in the TickTick module on Make.com are now resolved. Creating and updating tasks works reliably, including recurrence handling. It's also important to understand how rules work and to test thoroughly to ensure consistent behavior. Thanks for watching, and let's automate everything and optimize everywhere.